Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I am creating a card for Lemoncraft. It is a really romantic shabby chic style card which says be happy. It is created with Lemoncraft Melody paper pad. The pad is A4 size and it's got very delicate in light colors designs inside. Also it has sentiments and some elements to cut out. My card is 10 by 21 centimeters and my first layer is 9.5 by 20.5 centimeters. The second layer is 8.5 by 19.5 centimeter. So the first layer is half centimeter smaller than the base and the top layer is 1 centimeter smaller than the first layer. For my card I have cut out few elements from the pad and also a sentiment which says be happy, it's from the pad, and also I have few die cuts. So I've got like a reef die cut which is in mint. I have mint leaves which are die cut with Lady E Design dies. I have few paper and fabric flowers, pieces of lace, some artificial leaves. This is from the branch I bought in local craft store, but I know that many things similar are just available, so you can check some products in the description box below the video, and if something is not listed there you can always ask me in the comment. And the beautiful badge is also from Lemoncraft. I don't remember now which collection, but I will try to find it and list it below the video for you. I hope you don't hear the strange noises my kids are making in the garden. I thought that's a great time for me to record the voice for you, because you know that now we are staying at home. They do not go to school, they have to do lessons at home. The older one has PE now, and the smaller, my smaller boy, he hasn't got so much work, so I just ask them to go outside. It's a really nice day here today, so I can finish my video. So if you hear something strange, please just do not bother. I hope you will be fine with that. The card I'm creating, I thought about that would be good for a wedding, because of course you can say be happy to someone on a wedding day, and I wanted to make it in light colors with like very delicate style. So I had a die cut, like a piece of die cut doily. It was left from another project, and also I found that really nice heart which is like crocheted. And I think the laces, sisal, the light flowers, all that creates that really nice shabby chic look and makes the card look very light. I hope that everyone is okay, even if you have to stay at home. I hope that you are in good health, and just try to be creative. You can use that time to do many things you weren't able to do when you had to work, for example. I mean, I am happy to because I'm working from home, but obviously having the kids, it makes it a bit more challenging. But also I started to just clearing my cupboards and my stuff, because we kind of have everything everywhere, and I thought I'm going to use that time to do some things I never have time for. And I hope that it will pass soon, and we will be able to be back to our normal routine. But in the meantime, visit my channel. I will have maybe a few more videos than I usually do, because I do need to create something every day. Even if not every day, I do it like every other day. It just keeps me sane. So my card is almost ready. I am going to add a little bit of glitter. It's gold, but not like yellow gold. It's very nice, like white gold color, and I will not add much, but I just want to add it in a few places. And also I will add those mini snowballs. You can add the micro beads or those stones, just to add a little bit of texture to your project. And then I'm going to splat it all with white acrylic paint. It's good if it's mixed with water, because then you've got really nice splats. And also this time I did a few splats with black acrylic paint. It is not recorded because my camera died, but if you're not sure about the black paint, just leave it, but the white splats looks really nice. So I want to thank you so much for coming back, for watching my videos, for all the lovely comments I receive. Please visit Lemoncraft blog and Facebook page, because they've got tons of lovely inspirations. And also subscribe to Lemoncraft and to my channel, so you will know that the new video is uploaded. Thank you very, very much for today. Have a lovely creative day. Bye!